Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I am going to show you how to fix the missing camera access issue on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, open the settings on your phone and tap the screen time. If screen time is enabled, tap content and privacy restriction. Select allowed apps and make sure your camera is turned on. You can also choose to disable screen time restriction entirely. Or you can another step is go to the settings and find the privacy and security option. Scroll down and tap on the camera. Find the app in question and ensure its camera is access is enabled. Isn't working, force to restart your iPhone. You can restart your iPhone like quick press volume down button and power button like this until the screen goes black with the Apple logo. You can side out this like for power off. This for restart refreshes your phone's software without deleting any data. If the issue persists, delete the app by pressing and holding its icon. Like this, tap remove app and delete app and your app goes deleted. You can reinstall it from App Store. Some apps have their own camera or microphone setting. Open the app and verify the camera access is enabled within its settings. Reset all settings last resort, like go to the settings and the general option and scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone option. Tap on reset and click the reset all button. This won't delete your data, but it will restore your settings to factory defaults. I hope you find these steps helpful. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.